What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield washer pump on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to take a 10mm socket and a ratchet, take this bolt out. Just grab the reservoir. Just shake it back and forth a little bit as you slide it up. Disconnect the connector right here. Slide that out. And we can also, there's a little cover right here. Just pop that off right there. Disconnect this connector. Push that button, slide that up. You can disconnect the hose right there. I do have a drain bucket underneath, so I can catch the wash fluid that drains out. When I just slide this line off, just put my finger over the hole, I can slide it out. To take the pump out, we drained out all the wash fluid. You could probably do this in the car, but it's just easier to take the rest of the washer fluid reservoir out. So just slide this little clip back, slide the pump forward, and just twist it up a little bit. And there's the pump. All right, take your washer pump. If you had the grommet off, you can put the grommet back in. Just slide that back in position. Slide the pump right there. Make sure it's locked in place. First, we're gonna hook up the washer fluid hose. Get that lined up first. Whoops. Push that on, make sure it's all the way on. We're gonna take this little cover here. This is gonna slide in position right there. And lock it in place, just like that. Take the electrical connector, lock that in. Take the level sensor connector, lock that in right here. And then there's these 2 feet. They're gonna slide through those little slots right there. Slide those 2 in there. And you might have to wiggle it back and forth a little bit. All right, that's all the way down. Take this 10mm screw. Take the 10mm socket and a ratchet. Tighten this down. Just snug. Now take your washer fluid, open the cap, pour your washer fluid in, and then you'll be good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.